First, peel and attach the foam to this part of the face shield. It's a part that is flat. The other part, as you can see, has these parts that are sticking out. So the foam goes on this flat side in the middle. After that, you can flip and you can attach, and you have to start attaching this part. This part is bigger than this distance, so it will create this oval, I guess, to have it around, to make it so it goes around your face. So you have to just plug this in until it clicks, and do this on this side as well, and right here until this clicks. And basically this is what you're getting. So this is what we are getting after we attach this part. And the next part, it will be this string. First, you have to push this through this hole on this side, and get it in. So basically this is what you're getting. And after that, you come here and you just insert it here like that, so it clicks again. And this is what you're getting for this part. So, and after that, you can adjust it to whatever length you like. When you get in these assembled, all these 4 parts, you have to be very careful with how do you place the next part, which will be this part. If you can see these knobs here, they have to facing down and not this way. So make sure that when you place in this part, your knobs right here are facing down. That is basically a stopper when you flip your face shield. That's what it helps not to go too far down. So this is where you have to be really, really careful when you're assembling your face shield. So for this part, we have a protective film on it from scratches, it protects from scratches and so on, fingerprints. So feel this much only before you start assembling, because it just helps along the way to protect it before you finish assembling. So what we do, again, this is the part that you have to have down, and you basically start plugging in these little dots like this until it clicks. Again, leave what you're filling so it doesn't get stuck in the middle, so it's easy to remove after. And after that, again, this part is down, and you start peeling the film down, and the front film in way. And this is the final product, and that goes up and down. I think it's like has a free options like all the way, medium, and all the way down. And this is the front part where you can pull this and adjust to the size of your head.